Hey, it's Rick and welcome back to the channel. From time to time I do product reviews, and this is going to be on one of these products that I'm going to cover. It's by Home Decorations Collection. It's the Bayshire 60-inch indoor-outdoor LED color changing ceiling fan, and the model number on this one is 1005832-068. I'm also going to cover on this particular review the smaller fan model. Now I'm not going to go into great detail on how you mount these or anything like that. I'm going to just show you details of what they look like and my opinion of whether I like them or I don't like them. I'll give you an honest opinion. So I won't go into major detail. This is the box. We'll go around it. Not much to it. Sometimes people hate doing unboxings, so I won't spend a lot of time on it. It does come with a remote control. It has a soft white 3000K light, and then a bright white 4000K, and then a daylight 5000K. And you can adjust the color of the light with the included remote control. It's dimmable. Runs silent DC motor. You can put it in a wet location, and they're energy efficient, of course, with the LED light on there. There are different type of finishes you can get. There's a brushed nickel with dark driftwood. There's a brushed nickel finish with light driftwood, and then there's a 60-inch matte black finish with dark brown blades. And this is how you size them up. This is for great rooms, greater than 56-inch fan. And that's what we're going to use it for. And there's the output for the light. And on the down rod that comes with it, it can be straight up and down or on a slope ceiling. Runs silent, more powerful than an AC motor. Runs silent. DC motor technology has an optimized motor control with up to 70% more energy efficiency and comfortable, quiet, hum-free airflow. Integrated dimmable LED light programmable light module, 18-watt incandescent bulbs, equivalent, lasts up to 31 years. No bulbs to replace. 31 years. Well, we'll see about that. If I'm allowed to live 31 more years, then that'll be cool. All right, so let's get to it. Hung up and installed. All right, so here you go. This is the 60-inch model. And right now it's just in the off position. Now the crazy thing with these is you have a new build that you're going to do with this. And you want to install these. A lot of your old school electricians are going to put two switches on the wall because they're thinking you're putting in an old school style fan where you have one switch for the light and one switch for just turning the fan on. And I got caught up in that by accident. And these actually are controlled by just a single remote right here. And hopefully you can see that okay. And it's clear enough. You're going to see that there's numbers here from 1 to 6. That is the fan speed. That's the power for the fan right there. And then you're going to see a little light bulb right there. And you got plus or minus. And what that does is that actually makes the intensity of the light brighter or less bright. And you can also change the lumens in it, I guess, which would be the color spectrum. I'm going to try to get that in there for you. We're going to see how it works out. But what I'm getting at is you just need one switch for these, and that's just a power switch on the wall because your remote is actually going to control everything on that fan. And they have a little bracket that goes right on the wall, and it just drops right into that bracket, and you can put it wherever you want. So just for example here, I'm going to hit the power button, and these are DC fans. They take a little while to start spinning up, but you're going to see it there. And we'll put it on fan speed 1. Rather than go through all these fan speeds, I'm just going to go to the maximum, which is 6. Fairly quiet. You can see we're maybe about 10 feet away from the fan. And we're about 12 feet off of the floor, and it's about a 15-foot ceiling. I've dropped down about 4 foot. I did buy the extension pole there, also from Home Depot. But let me tell you something. It's throwing some air current back here. Let me see. I just have a $20 bill laying here. Let me see if you can see if it's moving at all. So you can see how much air that's actually throwing over here. I mean, paper money is pretty stiff, so I can feel it all the way back here. So that's throwing a lot of air current. Now you might not want that much. You just take it back down to 1, and it slows down fairly quick. While we're waiting on that, let's go ahead and put the light on. Pretty intense, and you can lower it. Hopefully that's showing up on the camera. I'm all the way down. See, you can change the different colors. Now it's not going to be psychedelic. You're going to have like a white to a yellow tinge depending on what you like. Not like red, blue, green or anything like that. But that gives you the gist of it, I guess. Now let me go all the way up in intensity. And that's like blinding me. It's probably flashing out on the camera. Now you can really see the difference when it changes. So let me pause this a minute and I'll show you the 52-inch model. So this is the 52-inch model. Let me slow it down. Basically the same, that's why I kind of made the video identical in the description, because they are basically the same. I mean, I could put a measurement on there, but you can pretty much see that they've got a pretty good span. You can go to the website on Home Depot, and I'll put some description information, I guess, underneath the video there on YouTube. But it's the same scenario, off and on. Remotes are identical. Now, they also do have on the remote, I'm going to show you here. I guess you can't see that, but there is a little back and forth arrow right here. And what that does is that will reverse the direction of the fan in case you want to push down that air or suck that air up. Like right now, we've got a slab floor and all of our HVAC is coming in from upstairs and it comes down. Now, if yours is reversed and you got your heat coming from the floor up, you might want to pull up so you can reverse your fan. So I'm just showing you that's how that works. These are pretty good size. I mean, they are referenced by the size of what they call for, whether it's 52-inch or 60-inch. But so far, we're really happy with them. The install is pretty straightforward. Like anything you install, you either have an electrician or you know how to hook up a light or a fan. They just mount right to the existing mounting bracket, or you have to install a mounting bracket. But that all comes in the kit. Hey, thanks again for watching. That subscribe button's been running down there in the corner the whole time. Please hit that. You never know what we're going to come up with next. That bell icon's there. Smash that bell. That notifies you right away as soon as we get a video out. And do us a favor. Give us a thumbs up there on YouTube. It lets YouTube know that we are doing a good job, and they'll rank us higher on their ratings and push our videos up a little bit further. Please share with your family and your friends, and I hope everybody's safe and doing okay. And give me some feedback. Let me know how you make out with yours. Take care.